iRacing has a bunch of races that you could do, a ton of races, but today I'm going to be narrowing down all the races for you, so it could be a lot easier if you're a rookie, if you're new to iRacing. So let's hop into the video. At the bottom of the ladder, we have the rookie class, and in the rookie class, we have the Mazda MX-5 Cup. This car is a slow car, but it's a fun car to drive. Since the car is slow, if you stay in slipstream, keep the close together, people tend to rear end you, and you can get T-boned if they miss their braking points. These are 12-minute races on the rookie tracks, which is free tracks that come with the game, so you don't have to worry about purchasing anything. There's not that much about series with it just only being the only sports car series in iRacing. So let's hop into D-Class, which is a lot more sports car series that you can choose from. Now in D-Class, there's two races I recommend. The first one is the Falcon GT4 Challenge. There's 15-minute races. Some tracks are free, some tracks are paid. It's like 50-50. You're in the 5 GT4 cars. The car I recommend is the Mercedes-AMG GT4. With the fix and balance performance, I say this car is the best car. Has good straight line speed, good stability. Car has good traction out of the corners. If you trail brake, then this car is just overpowered. And then the next race we're going to talk about is the Ferrari GT3 Challenge. It's another fixed series, 15 minutes long. Same thing as GT4 Challenge. Same thing, like 50-50. I think majority of the tracks are paid in the Ferrari GT3 Challenge. It's also the same thing as the Rainmaster. It's the exact same thing. The only difference is one just has rain, one doesn't. Same track, same schedule. They also produces good racing too. Since everybody has the same car and it's fixed, it comes down all to driver skill. This race requires no stops because it's a 15-minute race. Yeah. You can also find dirty drivers in both of them. You can find dirty drivers in any race, even if you're in A class. You will find dirty drivers everywhere. Be careful if people do spin out, because people do tend to probably do reverse into you. That happened to me 2 days ago. I hated it. Now it's a race. But let's hop into C class, because there's some fun races that I want to talk about in C class. Now we're in C class. In C class, there's one race that I really want to tell you guys about. Is the Porsche Cup. Porsche Cup has some of the best racing, and if you can master this car, you'll be basically top split. You'll be at the top of the leaderboard. You can get I rating from this if you master the car. This car's a lot of fun if you do master it also. This is one of the most raced races in iRacing. The Porsche Cup also has no traction control, no ABS too. This car also does have wet tires, so you could possibly be racing in the rain with this thing. The amount of the high I rating drivers do race in this, that's something to know about. This week's race is around 14 laps. There's a fixed and open series in it. Again, it could produce some fun, very fun racing if you don't experience any dirty drivers or anything. But it's not a lot to say. I mean, it's one race I recommend. Well, let's go straight into B class. In B class, there is 3 races that I recommend. I recommend the Fantech GT3 Challenge Fix. These are 20-minute races. You can use any of the GT3 cars, all 9 of the GT3 cars. The Chevy and the Ford are the 2 newest that have been added in week 13 of season 2 of 2024. This is a popular series, not as popular as the MX-5 and it can get as popular as the MX-5, but there's not that many people that are in the class compared to the rookie class. So that's why there's more people in the MX-5 rather than doing this, the GT3 challenge. Again, the 20-minute races are fixed. The race is going to go by fast. The race happens for 2 hours. This one is at Fuji. I love the series. And I think you guys love the series too. Another one I recommend is the GT Sprint. It's Also at Fuji, it happens every 2 hours. It's a 40-minute race. You use all of the 9 GT3 cars in the series. I think it'll fly by fast if you're in good competition, good racing action. But there's one more race I want to tell you guys about. Is the LMP2 Prototype Challenge race. These are 20-minute races. Also happen every 2 hours. The LMP2 car, I think, is just an amazing car. It's balanced of everything. So if you want to have a balance of GT3 cars and, for instance, the hybrids, then I think this is the perfect car for you. I think it's the best car in iRacing. It feels good. Good amount of downforce, good amount of acceleration, straight line speed. Car has traction control, but no ABS with it. I think it's a fun car overall to drive. But let's hop into A class. In A class, there's only 2 races. They're both the IMSA iRacing series. The one that I mostly recommend is just the IMSA iRacing series. The Open Series one is 45-minute races. It's a multi-class race. It utilizes all GT3 cars, the LMP2 and the GTP hybrids. It's a fun race. Overtake if you, again, that's why I said the LMP2 car, the balance, because you do get overtaken by the GTPs, but you also be overtaking GT3s. So basically it's like 3 races, to be honest. It's one big race, it's like a multi-class race. The fixed series is 35 minutes, it's fixed racing. Both of these happen once every 2 hours. So then stuck in it. This race is gonna go by fast. It's gonna go by very fast. But thank you for watching this entire guide. Please shows sometimes like the video. Subscribe even if you don't want. You don't have to. You don't have to. But thank you for watching this video. And see ya.